Alright, so it's round 2 updates for this new batch that I started last video. It's been a couple of weeks since I posted them, and let's see what's happening. Along the way, we did lose 2 of the cuttings to mold. Primary reason being that I did not sanitize them once again. I know I should have done it, but whatever reason, it just never happened. Anyway, so let's see how things are looking here. You can see already from here there's some magic happening in there. But now let's see what's happening. Let's open this up. Hey, move back. Leo, move back. Alright, so let's see. Would you look at that? That is magic happening everywhere. This one here is the new one that I just recently added, so this one doesn't have much of anything happening. But look at the magic happening. This one actually is rooting on both ends. It's pretty much like rooting everywhere it can. So I don't know what am I even gonna do with this? I'm probably just gonna end up burying it sideways and see wherever the leaves might emerge from. But right now it just looks like roots are coming from everywhere possible on this. Look at that. It's crazy. And then we have some roots happening over here. We got some leaf growth happening. And we have this guy knocking over our light. And we have some happening over here as well. But yeah, so I think this is fairly successful method at this point as far as I'm concerned, and very speedy also. So I may actually have to end up getting a bigger box if I want to do large scale rooting and stuff. I do have a few other ones that I'm looking at doing, a bunch over here that are going to be trial for some things, but that's it for now. Chicago Zone 6A out.